Today I'll be demonstrating how to install a floating shelf, sponsored by Artisan Shelf. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton and today I'll be demonstrating a video on how to install a floating shelf provided by Artisan Shelf. Yes, this is a sponsored video, but the plus side is there may or may not be a discount code somewhere in this video that would apply for a future purchase with Artisan Shelf, so keep watching. The shelves that I'll be installing are Alder. They're 12 inches deep, just under 50 inches wide, and 1 3/4 inches thick, with no stain. This is just natural alder wood. All the tools that I used within this video will be down below in the description, so make sure to check those out. And the time that it took me to complete 2 shelves was about 15 minutes. So let's get started. Go to the space you want to install your floating shelves. Remove any of the saran wrap or protective layers protecting your shelf, and slide out the hardware that you're going to install first. Next, determine the spacing between your shelves, if you have multiple, and in my case I wanted the sections to be even, so I measured that out and made a mark. And because these floating shelves are going in a built-in like area, I needed to have this hardware be very precise in its placement, because the rods have a very specific place, and the sides of the shelf would hit the wall if I go too far left or too far right. So I took some painter tape, secured the hardware to the shelf so it wouldn't move, took some more pieces and put it on the edge to indicate to not go beyond this point for the hardware when I install it on the wall. Held the shelf up to the wall, marked where my hardware could not pass on both left and right sides. Now with these marks on the left and right, combined with the mark that I made earlier indicating the spacing of my shelves, I took the hardware, grabbed a level, screwed in the one side, leveled it off, screwed in the other, added the rest of the screws that came with the shelf. And if you want the most amount of strength, make sure you're screwing into the studs of the wall, and that's made really easy to do with the amount of holes that are in this hardware. Grab your shelf, line it up, and slide it on. Let's get into the discount code. If you enter CCDIY25 on Artisan Shelf's website at checkout, you can save some money. Now let's get back to the video. When you're sliding it on, you may need to guide the rods into the proper mounting holes, but once you do, super easy, goes on great. And I took this exact same process and I repeated it for the shelf above it. Take the hardware, find the studs, make sure I allowed enough spacing on the left and right side, made sure it was level, took the shelf, guided it on, and now you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, go ahead and head over to artisanshelf.com and get your floating shelf purchased, or at least reach out to them to see what type of custom work they can do for you. Now, I've teamed up with Artisan Shelf, who is a family-owned and operated business with extensive experience in many types of custom woodworking, being in business for more than 15 years. Located here in Utah, they are honing in on the floating shelves aspect of their business while maintaining that same high quality, durable finish, and caring customer service that has earned them the reputation of excellence. They have even expanded their shop to focus just on floating shelves. Their shelves are currently 1 3/4 inches thick, and they offer a wide variety of depths anywhere between 6 inches and 12 inches, and widths anywhere from 12 inches to 92 inches. They're currently offering 5 types of wood online: walnut, white oak, alder, maple, and cherry, along with a variety of stains and colors. They are also willing to go above and beyond and get you a custom piece of wood that you want, whether it's a species of tree that they don't currently offer online, a specific type of stain or color, or even measurements that go beyond their standard offerings. Just contact them on the Contact Us page of their website, artisanshelf.com, and also make sure to put a link down below in the description. Oh, and I forgot to mention that they offer free shipping within the lower 48. If you do end up placing an order with them, expect anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, depending on where you're located. Each order comes with the high quality floating shelf, the stain or finish of your choice, the mounting bracket, screws, and again, free shipping. And I would also like to point out this mounting bracket can withstand up to 50 pounds for every stud you're able to screw into. And don't forget that discount code that I mentioned in the video. And if you want to watch other videos that I've completed in the past, go ahead and click this link right up here. And don't forget to click this link to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.